Did you know that your digital marketing team can be made up of only one person? Yeah, well, with AI sellers, you can elevate your marketing campaigns and have access to multiple tools, multiple marketing tools, all in the space of one platform. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'm taking you through AI sellers and all that it offers you. Once you log in with your email and your password, you can choose to join the members only Facebook group. You can take a look at the video tutorials to help you understand how to use AI sellers. You can take a look at all the projects that you have. You can view all your projects and you can start a new project. Also on the dashboard, you can see your recent projects and you can have a brief look about all that AI sellers has. And when you're satisfied, you can create a new project. When you're creating a new project, you need to create a training document. The training document could be a written document, could be from a website, could be a specific media like a picture, or it could be a video file. We will import from a website URL. So let's pick from our website, pick for a platform. We simply copy the link and we import. When we're satisfied, we can choose the format of the URL and simply import. It might take a while to do that, but what it does mainly is to pick images, pick text, and pick general information that will be useful for AI sellers to create other type of marketing projects when it comes to blogs, when it comes to videos for you. Once the data has been imported successfully, you can take a look at the data, or you can also edit or delete it. You can see the content, the description, the features, specifications, and you can also see the media available to you. You can either choose to regenerate or you can update any changes that you've made. And if you're satisfied with that, you can change from knowledge brain to assets. On the assets panel, you can create changes to your campaign. And do not forget to properly name your campaign. We'll call it campaign. You can include a video. You choose the video name. You choose the country, the language, the platform you want that video to be, and the style of your video. And you simply create. And AI sellers will do it for you. First is to generate a script, then you can customize the video before you fully render it. You can create the landing page, you can write the name of the product, choose your country and the language you want that landing page to be in. You can create an ebook. You include the ebook name, the ebook title, the country, and the language you want it to be in. When you're satisfied, you can choose an ebook template and create. You can create an opt-in page. You include names for your opt-in page. Country and the language you create. You can create a blog article. Pick your country. Let's pick Spain this time. Let's pick a language of Spanish. You can create. You can click the ads you want to create. Let's call this Facebook. Pick your country and the language. And AI Sellers does all of it for you. As you can see, our video script has been generated. So you can simply edit. You can take a look at the script. And if we're fine with everything in that script, we can simply convert it to video. And while it's being converted to video, we can take a look at other pages. We can take a look at our landing page. And if we preview that landing page, you can see that it has already been created. You can see there's a video that can be attached. You can see other elements that has been attached. All we have to do is to edit it, and we have access to our landing page, and we can share the link to others and use on our own platform. We can see the ebook is still generating. We can view our opt-in page, and we can see it's similar to our landing page, and we can make changes to it. If you want to edit it, simply click on that, and you can make changes from the color gradient to your font color, to your font family, your header section, the video section. You can include the video here, your headlines, and so much more. When you're done, or when you want to edit it graphically, you simply edit in VisWig. And if you're fine with that, you can go back. As you can see, our video is completely generated, so it's awaiting customization. And when it is awaiting customization, now you can edit the script, you can make changes to it, you can view multiple sections of your script. You can take a look at the text in each section. You can take a look at the background media. You can take a look at the layer media, your music, the voiceover. You can take a look at if you want to add a talking head, how you want the talking head to appear on the video. You can take a look at other links that you've attached and many more. And when you're satisfied with that, you can preview your video, or you can simply render your video. So while that is going on, you can take a look at other things. Our ebook is still generating. You can take a look at our blog post where we can edit it. When you edit, you can see that it is in Spanish and it is made for people that are in Spain. So if we're satisfied with that, you can simply download the article or make changes and update it, then use it on our WordPress backend. You can also see the ads that have been created for you. You can choose the account you want it to be attached to. We've not integrated any accounts yet, so the ad page has not been added to any ad account. You can see your customer ID, your ad setup. You can see the appearance that it would have, from your post's name to how it will look on, for example, Facebook. As you can see, our video is rendering and our ebook has completely generated. We can either edit it or we preview. You can see our ebook, Megabook Secrets, the table of content, introduction, and so much more, all created by AI sellers. And while our video is generating, you can take a look at other parts of AI sellers, from the integration part, where you can integrate with other social media accounts and other platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Svid, Livereel, Scriptreel, and so much more. When you connect your Facebook account or your YouTube account and other accounts, you can simply take the content created on AI sellers to those pages, to those websites. You can make changes to your profile, you can manage your account, you can upgrade, and you can change your account settings. Here, you can go back to your project and view your already done projects. So let's edit. We've already done this part, so we go back to assets, and we can see that our video is rendering. And once the video is completely rendered, you can use it on other platforms, on other websites. And that's all about it for AI sellers. As you can see, AI sellers does so much for you, and it is the future of digital marketing. A link to AI sellers in the description of this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.